By the second half of 2021, monthly trading volumes of NFT had hit $750 million. As of February 2022, the industry was worth about $41 billion. We will give you tips on NFT flipping for beginners for this video. First, here are the 5 things to check off your list before buying an NFT. Later, we will talk NFT flipping strategy for minting in secondary markets. Let us jump right into it. 5. Utility. When selecting an NFT, always look out for the other benefits attached to it. We will discuss the meaning of the art and how important it is, but you have first to ask yourself why this one would stand out to buyers. It could be the art for you, but for whoever buys it from you, it could be some hidden benefits. For instance, Lucky Block NFT offers lifetime access to daily draws, and winners of the draw receive 2% of the jackpot prize. Moreover, you could be holding one of the 25 NFTs out of the 10,000 marked as rare and potentially win double the jackpot prize in a day. In addition, a Lamborghini and $1 million could be yours when the random draw happens. Knowing the attractive extra rewards could make you sell and market your NFTs better when you decide to flip them for positive profits. 4. Founding team. NFT flipping is an investment. You would not invest in a company without looking through its books. Guess what? The same thing should happen when you are trying to flip NFTs. Ensure that the creators and developing team are trustworthy. Even better if they have a history with other successful NFTs. It would be best if you avoided NFTs by anonymous creators. Actually, you should cross-check their Discord and Twitter to see if there are other credible crypto advisors or investors in their community. If you're not convinced with the background checks, then abort the mission. 3. Community. Aside from the follower count, it would be best if you considered interactions. When searching on Clubhouse, Reddit, and Telegram, check the excitement about the project. If the people are not engaging with the NFT at its early stages, nothing could change it. You would be buying an NFT with no community support. It is excellent to gauge the popularity from when it was announced until the time you found it. That also shows how quickly people lost interest or otherwise in the project. A solid community is what makes an NFT successful. If you are new and intend to start minting your NFT projects, begin finding the right community. When the community is robust, it might be in high demand. Therefore, minting can become challenging. Minting is the process of buying an NFT once it drops, since the creators originally released it at low prices for their close community. Sometimes, in addition, community members get access to mint first. We will present more on this to you shortly. 2. Association. If your choice is associated with authority in the game, you will be flipping for much more. Sometimes all it needs is a retweet from a celebrity to run the prices up threefold. Most NFT projects have been successful because brands have endorsed them. In fact, Jimmy Fallon, one of the most respected late-night television show hosts, is associated with the Bored Ape Yacht Club. We do not have to tell you how successful it is right now. He is not alone in the club. YouTube star and celebrity boxer Logan Paul and basketball royalty Stephen Curry are all in the club. Maybe we should tell you how successful it is. The price as of the second week of May 2022 is around $235,633.49. Who is hyping up the NFT you intend to flip? 1. Art. Before we speak about the art, please subscribe to our channel for more insightful videos. Now the aesthetic of the project sells it in the end. Art gets valuable as time passes, except if it was carelessly done or ended in a scandalous situation. Again, that is why the founding team is essential for your choice. The market is now booming for meme-worthy NFTs, which should not discourage you from buying other types of NFT art. They could become the new trend tomorrow. Indeed, go for the controversial yet extraordinary art. Tell us what artist you are waiting to see on the NFT marketplace. If you mention them 3 times, they might appear in the comments below. If the art is not going to be iconic in the future, you might struggle to flip the NFT. Hence, one must ensure their choice has enough liquidity by determining the rarity of the NFT and other traits that could make it noteworthy in everyone's books. We will present more on this when we get to the secondary market buying. Now that you have found the NFT that you want to invest in, here are the two ways you can go about the acquisition procedure. Minting. Minting means buying the NFT upon its release. The NFTs projects are released at low prices before they hit the secondary market and start maximizing profits. However, it might not always be the case. Messi's launched 3 digital art pieces at $3.4 million on its first day. Of course, it is a messiverse, and we are all living in it. Notwithstanding, this procedure is the best for someone who wants to buy low and flip for higher profits. Yet, the process is cumbersome. You need to be whitelisted and prove eligibility in Discord groups to receive release dates and access to be the first to mint. Suppose you are unsure where to find the Discord community. Search for the project on Twitter and read their bio for the links. As soon as you mint, you can transfer the NFT to OpenSea and other secondary markets to enlist it at a higher price. Buying on the secondary market. On the secondary market, the NFT flipping tips are different. You need to find a marketplace and visit its website. You will insert the name of the project you want to buy in the search bar. Then you evaluate the potential of the NFTs to become profitable. Once you have settled on the specific NFT, you must read the traits to confirm their rarity and other properties. Note, the rarer the NFT, the higher the price and the better your returns. Lastly, check the Activity tab of the NFT to see other people's interest in it. All the transactions for the NFT are available for your perusal. Then you can list it when you are ready to flip. Since you seem to be enjoying this step-by-step guide for NFT flipping, here is another video on NFT flipping. How to make money flipping NFTs. Get in early.